y'all, Cindy here with Pathways Homestead, and we're going to do another garden tour. It is the 3rd of June, and I hope you enjoy seeing our garden and raised beds. Not a whole lot of stuff compared to what we did in Kansas, but we're enjoying it, and with us both working full time, it's about all we can keep up with. As you'll be able to see, there's quite a bit of weeds, so hide and watch. Tomatoes are doing good. We've got some other ones we started. They're coming on real good. These plants we've all bought, the big ones. Chickens are doing good. Here's the tomatoes that we planted, that we started from seed. Those ones and those ones there. Several different varieties. Several different varieties of peppers. Some of the ones we started from seed are really struggling. They're the little green. But the ones we bought, they're doing great. This is our row of cowpeas and then green beans in the middle. And down at the back is the black turtle beans. And then we've got okra and then our zucchini and yellow squash are in this row here. We've got some Armenian cucumbers, but we got some hail the other night, so we're going to have to replant those. And then here we have another row of peppers and tomatoes and good looking stuff. And then our sweet potato row is looking really, really good. Look at that, sweet potatoes are coming on. And then this is our North Georgia candy roaster. And then I forgot what I was talking about. Oh goodness. Oh, these beans are our Good Mother Stallard beans. They are a runner bean. They're one of our favorites too. All right, check out this garden, y'all. Got some squash. We've got celery. Doesn't that celery look amazing? Corn, onions, and a big squash down there. And of course our broccoli and cabbage are in those. Our cucumbers are sprouting real good. We've got some climbing beans, some more. Look at the carrots, the beets, kale, and radishes, and then there's some cilantro in there too that's going to seed. Potatoes are still going strong with the cilantro and onions in them, and a little bit of lamb's quarter. And we've got the rest of the potatoes. Our willow leaf lima beans are doing well. Gary's watermelons are coming on. Some of our herbs are coming on. Looks like we got calendula and chamomile. So those are the herbs that actually seeded, it looks like, from the seeds we planted. We'll see if anything else comes up out of that. And we've got a little bit of garlic and Egyptian walking onions here. Look, them onions, aren't those pretty? Garlic and some weeds. And then our spinach has gone to seed. And then we are at our strawberry bed and our rhubarb. We harvested a bunch of rhubarb, as you guys can go back and see. But yep, the rhubarb's bouncing back.